Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video I want to show you how to use hot swap app switching on this device. So it depends on whether you're using the gestures or 3-button navigation. So if you use gestures, the fastest way and the common way how to do that, you want to swipe horizontally on this bottom edge of your screen. So let me open any kind of application, and if I want to switch between applications, I have to swipe left or right to quickly switch between applications. Okay, and now let me quickly change to a 3-button navigation, and you have to double tap the recents button. This is those 3 horizontal lines. So double tap it, and as you can see that I perform hot swap app switching. So that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.